employment, look for job opportunities in your field of expertise. Update your resume, explore job boards, and network within your industry. Freelancing and gig economy. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TaskRabbit allow you to offer your services as a freelancer or gig worker. Online business. Start an online business, such as e-commerce, dropshipping, or affiliate marketing. Identify a niche, create a website, and leverage social media for promotion. Investing. Invest in stocks, real estate, or other assets. Consider seeking advice from financial experts to make informed investment decisions. Content creation. If you have skills in content creation, explore platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or Patreon. Monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or fan support. Remote work. Take advantage of remote work opportunities. Many companies offer remote positions, allowing you to work from anywhere. Education and skill development. Invest in learning new skills that are in demand. This can enhance your employability or enable you to start a business in a growing industry. Cryptocurrency. Explore opportunities in the cryptocurrency space, such as trading, investing, or participating in decentralized finance, DeFi, projects. Be aware of the associated risks. Remember to adapt these suggestions based on your personal circumstances, skills, and risk tolerance. Additionally, keep an eye on current trends and emerging opportunities